Good morning, Miss Brownie Pie. I got some bread for you. Oh, look at that baby. I see that beautiful baby you just had. It's so much lighter than you. Okay, hold on. So I call her Brownie Pie. And when the farmer first got her, she wouldn't come near me. She wouldn't even come near the fence. You are just slurping those things all over the place. But she wouldn't come near me. And she watched the other cows come up. And finally, she came about 20 feet, and then she got closer. Now she just comes up to the fence and sticks that long tongue out, and she just knocks food everywhere because of her long tongue. Yeah, she's a slurper. She likes to slurp up this bread. I'm just going through it so you guys can see, because I want to be able to see her baby. Oh, that went between the fence. Hold on, there you go. That tiny, tiny little baby. And I think it's about 5 days old now. It lays down most of the day, and then she eats, and then when she comes up, when Miss Brownie Pie, oh, look how little she is. Oh my God, she's so little. She's trying to stay hidden. She wants to come up and see what I'm giving. But she lays down and hides, from predators while her mama eats. And then she comes up. She gets up. But this morning, when I came up, Miss Brownie Pie saw me, and the baby jumped up. She's so skinny and little. Hold on, Miss Brownie Pie. I'm going to put some here. But now the babies, this one's too little. But the other babies come up and wait at the fence for me. Here. Oh, they went behind the fence again. There she is. Hey, sweetie pie. I don't know what I'm going to name you yet. There you go. Go over there and eat that bread so I can... Oh, she's playing with a leaf. She's just playing with it. That's so funny. Don't get stuck in those leaves. Those are great big yucca plant leaves. We trimmed the yucca tree yesterday. That's all for today, Miss Brownie Pie. Isn't she pretty? And her baby, she's brown, and her baby's very light brown. And oh, she's so pretty. Hello, baby. All right, guys, I'm gonna go inside. Bye, Brownie Pie. Bye, little baby.